Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good morning to everybody. Okay, so NetBeans, we will create a project in NetBeans. Okay, so before we create, already we have seen how to create. Okay, let us run this online examination. So let me have created. Let me run this online examination. I'll show you the demo and then I'll show you how it works. So this is the HTML page which contains 3 questions all computer must have. So we know the answer is operating system. Thank you. The term PC means, so we know it is a personal computer. The C was developed by, so it was Dennis Ritchie. This is the 3 answer. I check the result. So when I click this, you can see this, your mark is 15. Each question carries 5 marks and you are eligible for the next round. So let me give a wrong answer. The term PC means IQ personal calculator. For example, just to show you, and I give this, check the result. You can see this, your mark is 10. Okay, if it is less than 10, you are not eligible. Let me give, I give another wrong answer. Only one answer is right. See, your mark is 5. Sorry, you are not eligible for the next round. So this we have developed using, this is an HTML form. When you click it, a servlet is called. A servlet check first answer, they will check it with the database. Database will have a table of, okay, just one column, and this will have 3 records. First record is checked with the first answer. If it is okay, 5 marks. Second answer is checked with the second record. If it is yes, again plus 5. Third answer is checked with the third record. If it is yes, plus 5. So we will have 15 marks. And we will display, the output is displayed. Okay. So this is using a JSP file. Using a JSP file, and output is displayed. Okay. So now we will see how we run naturally. So for that, what we have to do, we have to create 3 files. I have already created, let me tell you. So first we have to create HTML form. How we create? Right click, a new HTML. You have to create one HTML file. Okay. Oh, so simple HTML. So let us take new index, finish. Okay, I have already created. Okay, in this we have to write the code. I have written the code. So what is the code? This is nothing but we have developed a front end. Okay, a form which contains, okay, 4 questions, 3 questions all computer must have. This is the data, and I have 4 radio buttons, 4 answer: operating system, application software, CD drive, Microsoft Word. Okay, so and that I stored it in, okay, 4 radio button. I stored the okay, give a name for all the 4 radio button as ans1, ans1. Again, next question, the term PC means, again I create 4 radio buttons. PC means private computer, professional computer, personal computer, personal calculator. All this I give 4 radio button. I give a name as ans2. Again, third question, C was developed by, so I remove this. So Dennis Ritchie, okay, startup, Davis Ritchie, Charles Babbage. Okay, and that answer we radio button, I give 4 radio button, I give a name as ans3. Okay, so 3 questions, each question carries 4 radio buttons. So 3 questions, so 12 radio buttons is created. Again we have a submit button. So what is the value? Check your result. On submit, I call action is new servlet 1. New servlet 1. So I have to create a servlet. have to create a servlet. Okay, before we create a servlet, now HTML form is okay created. Now let us next we create a database. Okay, now you can see in JavaDB. So right click here in services, you have a JavaDB. Right click, so it will be in a stop state. Okay, you give it let me stop this, no problem. Now you right click when you click the services. So we are using so many database available. Now we are using JavaDB, a database JavaDB. Right click, you start the server, database server we are starting. Once it is started, now I create a database. So here I create the database name, I give it as a sample. Okay, so they say already exists, so let me give sample one. Okay, what is the username? I give app, password app. So it is okay, your database should not be hacked, so you have to give them password. So I have given as okay, username is also app, password is also app. You should not forget this. So now you do here okay. Okay, database is created called sample1. You can see this here. Now you right click, you give it connect. Now this database is connected. One is DBMS is connected, now database is connected. Now we execute the commands. When I click right click, execute the command. Now I write the command. We will create a table, we insert the data and the table. We'll see how it is. Okay, so here and now you see here, you can say already lab manual has shown you. This is how to create. Let me create a table called create table exam3. Okay, create table exam3. I have timed this. So this table contains only one field, that is answer 1. After typing, just select this, right click, run selection. You can see this execution finished. So this table is created. So we have to insert the data. So this table I insert the 3 record. One is operating system, personal computer. These are all the 3 answers. Okay. Let me hide this. Okay. So we will select this, right click, run selection. Okay, you can see execution finished. One record is added. Okay, like this we have to add a record. So let us add 2 more record. Okay, so I select this query, right click, run file. So let us write select star from. Let us show the table, what this table contains. What is the name of exam3? So let me select this, right click, run selection. So 2 record is added, 1 record is yet to add. So there is some problem, you see no problem. Which value? Okay. One selection, yeah. Now select start from. So now this table, okay, so it contains three records. That is a three answer: operating system, Dennis Ritchie, and so when the user, okay, so you can see now output here. When we run it, you can see here. So the first question, the user has given this answer is checked with the database, the table we have created. The table first record is checked with the first record of the table. If it is yes, 5 mark is given. Second question, answer is checked with the second record. This is the answer. If it is same and plus 5 marks. Third question, the answer is checked with the database table third. If it is same, then plus 5 marks. So, three answers are correct. First answer is operating system, second is Dennis Ritchie. Sorry. So we have to do like this. So we have to insert in this way. First we have to insert operating system, then we have to insert personal computer, third Dennis Ritchie. Only then it will check. Okay, no problem. Select P. Okay. Drop table. Give exam 3. Table is drop. Let me select run this. No. So first we will create a table. Okay. Let us insert the data. First record is inserted. Again let me insert the second record. Second record is inserted. Third record. On selection, record is now I select. Now you can see this. This is the first answer, operating system. Second answer, personal computer. Third answer, Dennis Ritchie. So it will. The second answer is the user gives personal computer and plus 5 marks. Third answer, the user gives Dennis Ritchie. So it is compared with this Dennis Ritchie and plus 5 marks. So this is how a table is created. Now next, first we have created an HTML, then we have created a database, in that we have created table, we have added the data, and let us create a servlet. Okay, this is how you create a servlet. Here right click, new, okay, servlet, new servlet, I give new servlet, okay, new servlet already exists. I give new servlet. Next, you give this, you select this, add information to deployment. This you have to add this to XML file, then give finish. Okay, already I have created, so that's why I don't give. This is how we create. Right click this, new servlet, okay, and name of the servlet here, this is the important. Next, add information to deployment. Select this and finish. Okay, so I have already created one servlet called, when you go to source pages, I have created new servlet 1. Now right click this new servlet 1 here. Whenever you create a servlet, let me create one servlet. I click new servlet, I give some, okay, and this finish. A new servlet is created. a new server. Okay, here the code is already this NetBeans ID here. Here we have to write the code. Where we write already this is created. Now here we will write the code. Servlet one. You can see this process request. We have to write process request. Here we write the code. Remove this and write the code. I have already written the code. Okay. You can see this. Okay. So okay, I'll explain this once again. So from the HTML we get answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. That is stored in a string str1, str2, str3. 3 answers are stored in 0. Initially mark is 0. We create a class. Okay. For the database connection, since it is a Java JDBC, we are using, you have to see client. I should use the properties. Okay. Or to connect to the database. So user password. We are there in the database. We have given a username as app. Here also you have to give username app. There the password I have given as a app. Here also we have to give the password app. There whatever the username you have given, you have to mention here. Whatever the password you have given, you have to mention here. Okay, this is no problem. Now we have to get a connection to the database. Okay, so we have to use the driver manager dot get connection. Now JDBC, how this connection we have already created. You can see server. Okay, sample. Sample. This is data already I have created already. Right click. Okay, properties. You can see this. Okay, display URL. In the this URL you have to copy. This URL JAVADB derby localhost 15. This is my system sample. This URL you have to copy and you have to paste it here. Note it down. Services. We have created the sample database. Okay, username app. Right click. Properties. Database URL. You click this URL. Here you copy this. And you have to paste it here. This is the URL location. Okay, now this is no. So now we create a statement. Okay, now the database connected. Now I can create a statement to execute the query. So I call a function create statement. Okay, again this is for testing we have done. And now I execute a query. Select star from exam 3. Exam 3 is the table I have created, and this table contains only one column, and this column contains 3 records, and that is stored here in RS result set. Initially I declare some variable I equal to 1, while rs.next equal to 2 till the end of the record. Okay, this loop will continue 3 times. Why? Because this table contains only 3 records. So now it will pointing to the first record. It is pointing to the first record. What is the first record? We have already seen. The first record is okay. We have already seen. Okay. So this is the first record operating system. Okay. First record is operating system, second record is personal computer. Now it is pointing to the operating system. Now this is our project, we have Servlet one. Now you can see rs.getString of this first record is stored in a string called db ans1. What is the first record? we have seen this computer. Okay, what is the first answer? The first answer, operating system. And this is okay. Now we check string 1. Now input, what the user has given, the string 1. This is the input 1, answer 1. Answer 1 is compared with the database record 1. If it is same, then mark is increased by 5. Okay, mark is increased by 5. Then if condition is true, okay, then will come out and I is incremented again. Now this is pointing to the second record while. Now I is not 1, I is 2. I is 2. Now it is pointing to the second record database. Again, this is the second answer. User has given second answer of second record. If it is same, if it is equal, a mark is incremented. Again, it come out of the loop. I increment. Now it is pointing to the third record. Now I is 3. Third answer, if it is equal to the third record, then it is equal to, okay. Now db3 answer 3 is nothing but third record, it is stored in db answer 3. If it is equal, now mark is incremented. So plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 15. Okay. So now this is mark, what the mark we have given. Okay, that is passing to the new JSP. New JSP, this mark 15 is, we are forwarding to the new JSP. Okay, in this new JSP you can see this. So JSP, how it's okay, you should know HTML, JavaScript and CSS. We have added JSP code here. You can see this less than symbol and this percentage. This is the JSP code. Okay, this data already we have got it from Servlet, that is the mark, get attribute data, and he's got 15 and this is the 15. Now it is stored in mark. If mark is greater than or equal to 10, say your mark is, you display the mark. Congratulations, you are eligible. Okay, if it is less than 10, your mark is so sorry, you are not eligible for the round. Okay, are you clear? So we have to create 3 files. One is index.html, another is new JSP, another is new one servlet. Alright, here I have created the new servlet 1. Okay, so we have to create 3 files. One is HTML, another is JSP, another is servlet file. Okay, how to create a JSP file? So we go right click, new JSP. So we create a JSP file. Okay, how to create a database? Go to service, here JAVADB, right click, create database. We will create sample, name is sample, username app, password app, just OK. A database is created like this sample. Here this is sample. Now you create a table, here right click, connect this and then execute command. Here we write the command. What is the command? Create the table, insert the data. Are you clear? So this is the simple access how to create online using JSP. Okay, Servlet and JSP online examination. Okay, let us run 1 second. We'll run it. Okay, so the first all this is operating system, this is ANS1, ANS ANS1, and this second, this is ANS2, and this is ANS3. When you click, a servlet is called. There they will compare this answer1 plus database answer1, this answer2 plus database answer2, answer3 plus database answer3. If all this is correct, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. You have the output. Congratulations. This is displayed in JSP. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.